Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Women Line Show, holistic well-being to unleash your innate potential. Yes, friends, we are learning so much from our influencer Ituvik Chopra from India, who is helping us out to help express our best potential through various mediums. And today, we are going to learn how we can use colors in our life to express our potential in best way. Educationist, fundraiser, Rex mission leader, founder at Karmic Therapy, life coach, co-founder Rex Ideas for Actions, and energy healer. We have Itu Chopra with us. Welcome Itu to the show.
Namaste everyone, and thank you Charu for connecting with me again. And it's always a pleasure seeing your enthusiasm, seeing your work and your reach. So that's very, very important. You reach out to so many people to help them out and share the knowledge that we all have. And I think knowledge, if shared, is doubled. And that's the need of knowledge. That's why we have knowledge, or we have learning. I would call it learning and practiced learning.
Thank you so much.
I'm really happy to talk about, I'm really happy to talk about colors today because as you said that, I work with energy and the colors have a great, very, very beautiful energy. And Ralph Waldo Emerson says that nature always wears colors and spirits. So as we see that, as we progress, especially in India or in many parts of the world, as the nature, as the seasons of the year change, the colors around us change. And as the colors change, our mind, there's a different hue or spirit in our minds. And the same thing is around in the nature. You will start seeing the fruits change, the food changes, the colors changes, and it's a call of the nature, which is saying, now this is the color I'm wearing, you eat this color, you do this thing and stay outside and take from it. So colors have a very, very deep impact on our psyche, on our mind, on our energy, on our organs, on our psychology, on our physiology.
Wow.
And from time immemorial, man or living beings have been in tandem with colors that are there in nature. But there is more to it, which helps us for our mental peace and our psychological peace, for our energy, for our body, for our mind. So how do we tap into this energy, which is in the form of color? And human being as a race is very is analytical, is rational.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's the only difference between us and the other animals. But other animals are more intelligent in their intelligence because they have intuitive intelligence and they use their intuitive intelligence. So you would see that, they eat, they stay, they live in harmony and in tandem with the nature as the nature changes. But human beings have been able to rationalize and bring out the effects. Why does white bring peace? Why is red the color of courage? Why is pink the color of love? All those things.
Very true. In fact, the mention how we can use the colors, the way you are saying that it can be used, have effect on organs. That is really so, I'm really curious to know how we can use colors and it can help our organs within the body, and how we can use colors for other stuff. Can you share more insights around that?
So, there are scientific studies. I'm going to take the name of, that are carried in the University of Texas by Professor Nancy Kolick. And it talks about that, all the ambient colors that are present around us have a lot of effect on our performance in life, has a lot of effect on our moods, has a lot of effect on our productivity, has a lot of effect on our inspiration, has a lot of effect on our motivation. So they do matter. And also we'll be taking the food part of nutritional food series. Then when we do,
that we'll be dealing.
We will talk about why certain color food is good for certain organs in the body. Absolutely, and for the glands, because glands are our energy centers that produce energy. And
Okay.
produce not only energy, also produce hormones,
Mm-hmm.
hormones that balance our body. So whenever there is an imbalance in the body, hormones are the ones that are affected the most. But what is deeply affected is the organ inside the
Itself.
body
Wow.
produces the hormone, like the thyroid or the
Wonderful.
pineal or the heart or the lungs. They are all organs that produce hormones.
Hormones.
Or the liver or the pancreas or the uterus or
Oh,
the ovaries
wonderful.
or the
It's a
all
whole
of this. So
body. It's a whole body we can
yeah,
think of, and then we
so
can have choice for the foods. So yes, we will definitely take this topic when we will be having that episode, and we'll love to know more what various other ways colors can be in the surroundings, colors we can be on your body in terms of accessories, colors can be on the walls around your room. So yeah, can
yeah.
you share some insights for that?
So Charu, as I said earlier, man is a rational animal. He wants to know why, what. And I have been researching on what and why also. I don't want to be sounding esoteric and giving out some mumbo jumbo to people that this is because of this, just do it. No, there has science behind it. So, dynasties, cultures, corporates, religions, organizations, institutes all use color to talk about what they want to talk about. What is the messaging they want to give? Charu, I can't see your standee behind.
Yes. So
You've used specifically purple color and pink color.
yes.
So can you tell me why?
Well, I believe pink is feminine and purple is royal to me, and it gives some I take it as a branding part for my brand, and it adds life to my brand. That's why I use this color.
So see, you just answered my question so beautifully. So the color that we use is talking specifically about why are you doing women lines? What does it signify? What is your philosophy behind it? What is your ideology behind it? What is the ethos behind it? And what do you want to reach out to? Why do you want to reach out to? And who do you want to reach out to? You specifically talk about the feminine energy, the women. And pink is the color of creativity also. Pink is the color of love, and pink is the color that we associate with feminine energy. I will not say women or men, because feminine energy, energy in the realm of energy means the energy which is nurturing, energy which is birth giving, energy which is mothering, energy which brings in creativity, energy that brings in growth. If you see in the universe, the feminine part, the feminine energy is that. And that's why the feminine energy is also the yin energy, and the yang is the positive energy. Sorry, the male energy.
Male energy.
Energy. And we are all, each one of us has yin and yang. The feminine and the masculine. So there has to be a balance. Wherever there is imbalance, even in that energy, it causes
chaos, problems, imbalance.
Yeah. Pink is also the color that is associated with the heart chakra.
Okay.
Also, seat of abundance. Pink is also abundance. Red, pink is abundance. Somewhere related to abundance, as in blood, as in life force.
Okay, that way is wonderful to know. Yeah.
And you've used purple. So you talk about purple is also a color that is very, very is the color that is associated with spirituality, with wisdom, with knowledge. So sometimes we get attracted to colors that we get attracted to, but a lot of times I talked about cultures, religions, organizations, institutions, ideologies, armies around the world,
armies is something new to me for colors. I never thought they will choose colors for the message they want to give.
Absolutely. If you just go into the armies, have also used colors. What are the colors of their flags? What are the colors of in the uniform? Of course, it's a green or the naval
green. That's the
OG olive green color. But within that there are colors. There are colors. Armies have used colors as in their flags and things like that. So there's always a symbolism There's
And a
always
reason. There's a reason behind
reason
choosing
of
the color.
using
Wonderful.
these colors. And colors have played a very, very, very significant role in dynasties. Look at the colors of Chinese dynasty.
Red.
Or
Chinese is mostly red. I'm in
yeah,
Singapore and we are having the influence. So we know when it is Chinese New Year and we are having the whole city painted in red the way it is coming around. So it's
yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
the way it is
So that
there.
way, a whole lot of that. There is a lot of depth to it. There is a reason to it. There is whys to it, that why use it. And the science and the significance of the colors is learning the tangible part of it. What is
Okay.
tangible? What is that we can understand? And of course, I said it has a impact on our mind. It has an impact on our. So red is also the color of caution, danger, passion, um, urgency, energy. So
Energy. I
here,
think, yeah, here energy has
lot of
its
energy.
impact, lots of energy. So they start the new year with the lots of abundance of energy. So that's why you read around yourself.
You also, that is why the red is the color at the traffic signal.
Ah,
Stop.
stop.
If, and it catches your eyes.
Eyes was correct. Very true.
Yeah. So that's how it is, and that's how the energy in the universe is. And I can go on talking about the colors, because colors is so important part of what I do, in form of crystal healing, in form of affirmations, in form of color therapy, visualization, in form of food therapy that I do. So color
Okay.
plays a very, very important role.
True.
uh,
How in form of you're saying affirmations, that's something interesting. How the colors play role in
so you
affirmations.
can write with the colored pens to bring in that, or you can start
Take a note,
coloring your
friends.
mandala. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want to, I'm going to very briefly give about colors. And if you want to manifest with colors, you can
Okay.
start writing with those colored pens. You would also seen that the topmost person in the hierarchy of corporates, or in offices,
Offices.
would use green color. He uses green color.
Okay. So that's the reason they want the flow of positivity around themselves.
Yeah, because green is the color of wealth,
Well,
growth, healing. So
correct.
it's associated with that. It's associated with the top person, or the person in hierarchy. Mostly they use green color. So I'm just going to quickly give you that if you want to write your manifestations and affirmations, that as we said. So color blue is for creativity,
Okay.
for faith, for clarity.
Okay.
So you can write with color
Blue
blue
color
if you
pen
want
normally.
creativity, faith, and clarity. Color pink, as I said, is the color of love, color of kindness, color of harmony. And you said, you chose pink because, and woman also stands for kindness,
Yep.
harmony,
Creativity.
always
And,
the cohesive force. Yeah.
and the purple is there for
you
wisdom. As you said, it's a purple is wisdom. So
it's
women lines are spreading knowledge. So now I realize, oh yes, that's something which we are doing.
yeah. Color purple is also intuition. Color
Okay.
purple is also inspiration. Imagination. Color purple is also needs, intuitive needs.
Okay.
And
Wonderful.
spirituality, of course. Black has also a very, very important role that we play. The black color is for protection, for banishing or releasing things out of your
Body.
system or your mind when you're wanting to write with black. Color silver or gold. The color silver is for emotions, reflections, for soft moon energy. Again, the feminine energy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we should be having all colors on the table, and as per our requirement, more we should pick up the color for the pen. Sounds so much interesting. Yeah. Wonderful to know.
Yeah. Yeah. So color orange is for optimism,
okay.
joy, and for excitement.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So this is regarding affirmations.
Brown. Yeah. This is for writing or manifesting.
Writing and whatever we want to do, right? As per the requirement, we can choose the colors. So we
Yeah.
talked about how the
Uh,
colors are for body organs, how the colors are used for, definitely we will go deep when we'll be having the particular episode. But just to
yeah,
give
yeah.
example of importance of colors and in various aspects of life to express the innate potential. So once we get the mindfulness for that with right knowledge, I think that can help us in life much better way to be healthy and to be best version for ourselves. That's the intention Women Lines is having, which we are spreading across the world, that we have to become the best version of ourselves. So any other insight you want to
Yeah.
share, Ritu?
I just want to share two more colors which are very, very important. Of course, we spoke about red, that is for motivation, ambition, passion,
Huh?
and color yellow is for strength, positive energy, thoughts, and confidence.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what do you suggest? The
So you
desk, the working table should be what? The desk table, what color people should put
should have
around?
all the colors if you're wanting to manifest. Sometimes a lot of us do journaling, and a lot of us want to write. Like I do journaling therapy. So in journaling therapy, you can actually pick up the color that is attracting you or wanting to write. You can use them in your everyday life, like wearing the
What
colors
you're
of the
wearing.
day.
Yeah, the clothing part also.
Yeah. So, Monday stands for white color. So try and wear, and it's also the color of moon, and the color is white.
Okay.
Tuesday is for red. Tuesday is also the day of the Mars. Mars is red. So
Okay.
red, all the shades of red. Wednesday is Mercury. The color is green.
Wow.
Thursday is the color of Jupiter. The color is yellow. So wear yellow. Friday is the color of Venus. Venus stands for browns and creams.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So the color is,
You have
yeah.
made so easy.
Saturday,
We just arrange the wardrobe as per the day and we are done. No
yeah,
confusion what to wear.
yeah. Saturdays is for is Saturn, which is black and blue. So yes, I arrange my clothes according to the color of the days. So you have your whites, you have your reds, and it's a
Any
Monday,
reasoning
you
behind that?
choose the
Just
color.
out of curiosity, I want to understand because the days I am still not able to understand how you are classifying days as per for colors. For organs, I understand. For affirmations, I understand how energy works. But how it affects the
So the
day?
days, days I'm classifying on basis of the planets.
Okay. How it is affected by which
Astrologically also,
planets?
yeah, astrologically also, but otherwise also. We all know the Mars is called the red planet.
Yeah.
Literally, it is red.
It is red.
We
It is
know
red.
of it.
We know that. Yeah.
Yeah. Jupiter, if you see Jupiter planet, and it's yellow. And there is a lot of deeper science behind this. So that is also there. But I don't go into the mumbo jumbo, as I said again, but it's
Yeah.
just to keep your, you know, uh,
Energy
wardrobe kind
high.
of
Yeah.
arranged and energy done, or using all the colors. And there is a significance of the days and the colors.
Color.
It enhances your clarity. Like Mondays, a day which we are, after a weekend, it's a day where we want a lot of calmness, we want a lot of focus, we want a lot of serenity on Monday, because if we are not serene and calm on Mondays, we'll not be able to fulfill the week ahead.
Weak schedule.
So
I so
the
much
white
agree
is a
with
color
you.
of
Very true.
calmness. Yeah. On Tuesday, if you there are a whole lot of other parameters or ways of thinking, but that's how I try and been doing it, and I have been doing it for like 20-25 years now.
Wow.
Arranging my wardrobe and wearing the colors. And in the same way, I've also been trying to inculcate eating of the lentils on that day, because we in India have a lot of lentils,
Yes.
and you want to eat every kind of lentil, because every lentil has some or the other major
Nutritious. Definitely.
nutrition, proteins and all that. So
Very true.
you can actually bifurcate your lentils also accordingly. On Monday you can eat white lentil, on Tuesday you can eat the red one, on Wednesday you can eat the green one, and we have a lot of variety. So it's a source of protein as well. It's a huge source of
Definitely. Lentils
protein
are
for
the basic
vegetarians.
for vegetarians,
Yeah.
especially. I mean, definitely we are vegetarians and
So you're also
this.
bifurcating it, and you're also eating all kinds of food. The idea is to give your body a lot of nutrition
Correct.
every day.
Correct.
Yeah.
Wonderful to know. I
So
mean,
this
I
is
never
very,
thought like
very
that
deep.
for the food part, how you can divide the food choice also for your innate
Yes.
potential and the days. This is something very new, and I'm going to arrange my wardrobe and I'm going to arrange my pens
Please
to
do.
use it as per my
One,
requirement.
it looks very beautiful. One, it looks very beautiful. Two, it makes it very easy for you that when you're
Definitely.
opening your wardrobe, you have to go out and go to office or whatever, now work from home.
Very
You know
true.
what you have to wear. What is the color of the day? I'm not wearing the color of the day today, but
But I think I am.
yes,
You said Tuesday is red,
you
right?
are. You
Wow,
are.
it just happened. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Any other insight? Colors, food we have done. We have done for the, I think accessories, some highlight on accessories, something like jewelry
So
or something. It also
accessories,
helps.
of course, it helps. And we'll talk about crystals
Yeah, and
and
a particular episode we will talk, but the colors
yeah,
impact, right? The choice of colors
of
impact
course,
you
they
and for
impact.
the,
and there is a whole science behind it. There's a lot of research gone into it, that the first crystalline form of the life came from the crystalline form, because crystals have a lot of minerals and minerals in them, and that's how there is life in it, and also there's energy in them, and that is why we use a lot of crystals in various electronic gadgets, because of their capacity to use the energy that is being generated in a electronic gadget. And that's why if you open up your electronic gadgets, there is a lot of crystals being used, whole lot of different crystals are being used, and they do impact our body and mind. I always say that the therapies that I work with are complementing therapies. I don't even say they're alternative therapies, where they're not alternate. They are
okay.
complementing therapies, because they complement the way we live, they complement our lifestyle, they complement our life, they complement our being, they complement our energy.
That's important.
So
That's a
standalone
requirement.
it is not. Yeah, so it's a complementing therapy. It
Wonderful.
helps us, and that's what we need. We need to take help from nature to keep going in the most effective way and utilizing our energy the best we can. I am
Beautiful.
nowhere
Beautiful.
professing that we should become fanatics about it.
No.
It's just being aware about it and using it
Yeah. And
with
that's for
awareness.
your benefit only. It's like
Yeah.
we want people to be their best version, have the best potential they can use for themselves and for their work. So why
Yeah.
not leverage with all the natural surroundings and the natural colors and help ourselves and others also? Wonderful sharing, Itu. Thank you so much for sharing such wonderful knowledge with us.
Thank you so
And
much. It's a very
definitely
short session, and I'm just
so
skipping
much to
over.
learn. Definitely. We
No,
have
no, I'm
so much
just
to learn.
it. Yeah, in when we go into depth of it, it's a lot of science behind it, a lot of
Yes.
rationale behind it,
Then we
a lot
will
of
understand. Yeah. Then we will touch base the deep points of all the topics, how which food is affecting which part, or in accessories, what type of crystals you can wear, or the food part, how you can use it for your good health. So yeah, so much to come in further episodes in coming
yeah.
months. Do keep tuned to Women Lines every month, friends. And thanks for watching this video. Share with your network. And thank you, Itu, for giving your time to us. Thank you so much. Take care and
Thank you
best
so much,
wishes.
Karu. You're
Thank
doing
you.
great work. All the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you so much.